Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange UCL Tournament Player Pack A in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the mission, all the quests, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the store button and tap this the third one live events and tap the third one tournament. So this one UCL tournament player pack A, so you can exchange your UCL token for this a UCL tournament player pack A 80 until 94. This is the guarantee reward for you, and also there are possible rewards here. For example, you can get Erling Haaland, part of UCL Group Stage Live player. So you can do it, unpack this UCL Tournament Player Pack A by only using UCL token 300. And also you can get this UCL token can be earned in UCL tournament and exchange for reward in store. You cannot exchange the UCL point or token, in here. So try your luck. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click that button below. Enjoy the game.